Hello everyone, in this problem we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form so that now we solve this problem by two methods. So here we discuss our method number one. Okay, I hope so you like both of these methods. So now in first method here we just use the radical law and we just separate this radical sign on each of these terms. And you know that if we have a multiplied by b and it's a radical, so we write it as a square root of a into square root of b. It means that if you have some numbers, product of numbers inside the square root sign, then you separate this square root on each of these number. Similarly here we separate this whole square root on these three numbers. Okay, so when we separate this on these three numbers, it will be written as in this form. So we have first we separate this on this, then you write it as square root of 8 into, when you separate this on this and this on this, then we write it as square root of 8. We write it as square root of 8 into square root of 8, 2 times of square root of 8. Similarly, when we separate these two on this square, and then we write it as 3 times of square root of 8, and its whole exponent is 8. Okay, so in the next step here you see that we write this square root sign into the exponential form. So the exponential form of this is 1 over 2, and similarly if you have a into square root of square root, so the exponential form of this is a to the power of 1 over 4. And if you have the square root of a square root and square root 3 times of a square root, then it will be written as a to the power of 1 over 8. Okay, so now here we replace first square root, we replace this 8 square root by 8 into 1 over 2, and we replace it 8 of 2 times of square root, and we know that if you have a number it's 2 times square root, we write it as a to the power of 1 over 4. And if you have 3 times of square root, we write it as 8 to the power of 1 over 8, and its whole power 8. So here we use the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m into a to the power of n, it means that we add its exponent. If bases are same, then we add its exponent. So according to this law, you see here 3 terms are bases same, so we add its exponents, and its exponents are 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8, and its exponent is 8. Okay, so in the next step here we need to take the LCM of its exponent, and you see that the LCM of this is 8. So we have 2 4s are 8 becomes 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 1s are 8, and its exponent is 8. Okay, so here we write this expression as 8 to the power of 4 plus 2 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7 over 8, and its exponent is 8. So here we use another exponential law, and according to this exponential law, if you have exponent to the exponent, then we multiply these exponents by each other, and we get 8 to the power of 7 over 8 multiplied by 8. So this 8 is cancelled out by this 8, and we get 8 to the power of 7. So we write this 8 into the prime factor form. So we know that the prime factors of 8 are 2 to the power of 3, and its exponent is 7. So here we again use this nice exponential law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So according to this law, we multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 21. 3 7s are 21. So this is the exact final simplified form of the given algebraic equation. So now we again solve this problem by second method. So here again we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form, so that here first we write this expression as in this form. So here it's the exponent of this term is 8. So now first we write this into the prime factor form. So we know that the prime factors of 8 are 2 cubed and we write it as 2 cubed and its whole square root, and square root of 2 cubed into square root of 2 cubed and its whole power is 8. Okay, so after this step, here first we remove this square root sign, and if we write this number, this whole number into the exponential form, so that it will be written as 2 cubed into 2 cubed into this is 2 cubed, and we write it as 2 square into 2 power 1. Okay, and the bases are same, so we add its exponent, and its exponent is 8, and it is multiplied by this whole square root is 1 by 2. Okay, so now you see here these 2 fours are 8, and we get here 2 cubed into square root of 2 cubed, and when we move this 2 square outside this square root, then it will becomes here 2 to the power of 1, and we remaining terms are only square root of 2, and its whole exponent is 4. Okay, in the next step here we need more simplifications, and we write it as 2 cubed into square root of, here again bases are same, so we add its exponent, and its exponent is 3 plus 1 becomes 4 into square root of 2, and its whole exponent is 4. So here we need simplification, and we know that 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and when we separate this square root on both of these terms, it will be written as in this form 2 cubed into 2 to the power of 4 square root, and double times square root of 2, and its exponent is 4. So we know that 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. We substitute this value here, and it will be written as 2 cubed into 16 square root, and here you have 2 times of this square root. It will be written as 2 to the power of 1 over 4, and its exponent is 4. So after that, again we have 2 cubed, and we know that the square of 16 is equals to 4. So this will be equals to 4, and here you have 2 to the power of 1 over 4. And similarly we have we write this 4 as 2 squared, its power is 4, so we have 2 cubed into 2 squared into 2 to the power of 1 over 4, and its whole exponent is 4. So here we need to separate this exponent 4 on each of these terms, because we know that if we have a multiplied by b and its exponent is n, we write it as a to the power of n into b to the power of n. So according to this law, we break this exponent and we write separately each of these. Exponent is 4 in this way, 2 cubed and its exponent is 4, 2 squared and its exponent is 4, 2 to the power of 1 over 4 and its exponent is 4. So here you see that these are cancelled by each other, and we get 3 fours are 12 and 2 fours are 8, and here you get 2 to the power of 1. So now bases are same, so we add its exponents, and its exponents are 2 to the power of 12 plus 8 plus 1, so it is equals to 2 to the power of 21. This is the final simplified answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.